Hello, my name's Carl. This is the Strawbyte workshop. Welcome back. It's good to see you. Today, a part 2 for the Workzone 18 gauge brad nailer. Now, if you've not seen that earlier review video, I'll leave a card in the top corner for you. But today we're going to be dealing with some of the points that were raised in the comments on that video, starting with the battery and the battery charger. So one of the things that people have noticed is that the nailer only comes with a single battery, and what I described as a very basic battery charger. Now, the battery charger itself is rated at 220 to 240 volts with an English UK plug on it. Clearly that's suited for the United Kingdom. The charger itself is rated at 1.5 amps, and the batteries themselves are rated at 1.5 amp hours. The manual claims a 60-minute recharge time on the battery, and that is pretty much what I've experienced myself. So the second question is, are there any extra batteries? And the answer to that is kind of yes. And now you've got three options. The first is to wait for ALDI to have batteries in their special buys promotions. Speaking to somebody in my local store, that doesn't happen very often. An alternative is to look for batteries in other tools. So you may want to extend out the number of Workzone tools. The batteries are pretty much interchangeable between them. And a good deal at the moment really is their combi drill driver, which comes with 2 batteries, so that may well give you what you need there. The alternative really is then to go and see if you can find aftermarket batteries to fit. Now, many people have commented on batteries that they've managed to get to work. Everything from batteries from Wix, which is a sort of builders merchants in the UK, through to brands such as Works, Erbauer and Einhell. All of those have been reported to fit. I went and purchased an Erbauer battery from Screwfix in the UK, and in common with many of the comments left on that initial video, I've managed to get this to fit. There's some differences between the Workzone battery and the Erbauer battery. Mostly it's a little lug on the top of the battery itself that can be cut away with a Stanley knife, and then the battery fits easily into both the tool and the charger. Now, this Erbauer battery is a 2 amp hour lithium ion battery, and I got this for £20, and that plus the original battery now means that I've got one on charge and one in the tool, and it's happy days. One more thing about batteries. There is a battery warning light on the side of the tool. It flashes red when the battery is low, but you'll notice the finish of the nail into the workpiece will start to diminish effectively. You'll end up with a nail slightly proud of the surface as the battery is beginning to lose its charge. So the minute you start noticing it not firing correctly into the wood, it's time to take the battery out and put that on charge. I wouldn't continue or make any adjustments on the top. Now, many of you asked in the comments how be interesting to see how this lasts, and I have to say, 6 weeks on, I've used this a lot. I've fired over 750 nails, and this tool is still going strong. I've not had a single jam, and the finish has been exceptional in both softwoods and hardwoods. So again, this is proving to be exceptionally good value for money as far as I'm concerned. It's a shame I've got a new battery system to cope with, but everything else I have is Ryobi, and I just couldn't stretch myself to spend the thick end of £200 on a Ryobi nailer just now. So this will do. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'd like to say hi to all my new subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, I'd invite you to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. There's lots coming up in the workshop in the next couple of weeks. We'll be looking at a DeWalt sliding miter saw, along with a couple of evolution tools, Plus, I'll be giving you a little bit of an insight into some of the things that I have in the workshop that I use regularly for marking and measuring, and hopefully some projects. So that's all to come, and I'll see you soon.